Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on conversion tools using ESurvey. Conversion tools in ESurvey. ESurvey Traverse Correction includes a dedicated conversion tools menu to convert field data into required formats. Available conversion tools include 1. Bearing and distance. Convert bearing and distance to easting and northing. 2. Horizontal angle and distance. Convert horizontal angle and distance to easting and northing. 3. Easting and northing. Convert easting and northing to bearing and distance. Horizontal angle, azimuthal bearing. 4. Angle in degree. Convert degrees to DMS. 5. Angle in DMS. Convert DMS to degrees. 6. Azimuthal bearing. Convert azimuthal bearing to horizontal angle. 7. Reduced bearing and WCB. Convert reduced bearing quadrantal bearing to WCB, whole circle bearing. 8. WCB and reduced bearing. Convert whole circle bearing to reduced bearing. For all conversion tools. 1. Prepare the Excel data using the prescribed template. 2. Import the Excel file. 3. Compute the conversion. 4. Export the results. With ESurvey Traverse Correction, you can handle multiple field data formats. Perform accurate open and close traverse corrections. Apply Bowditch, transit, and least square methods. Generate reports and drawings efficiently. This makes ESurvey Traverse Correction a complete and reliable solution for professional surveying workflows. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 9449599709. Thank you for watching this video.